AI is in the news. Artificial intelligence is making waves. We are in a world surrounded with edtech, e-learning platforms, and everyone is going gaga over the kind of online programs that we are seeing. We keep reading so many news items about edtech unicorns and how different universities are taking their programs online. So, the million dollar question, will AI completely replace schools? Indeed, artificial intelligence has been making waves in various industries, transforming the way we live and work. As AI technology continues to advance, the question of whether it will replace schools has been on many people's minds. In this video, we will explore the potential of AI in education and whether it is possible for it to completely replace traditional schools and universities. First and foremost, let us look at the advantages of AI in education. AI can offer personalized learning experience to students, tailoring the education to their unique needs and abilities. This can lead to improved engagement and motivation as well as better academic outcomes. Additionally, AI can provide instant feedback and support to students, helping them overcome learning challenges more quickly. But what about our human teachers? Will they exist or coexist? While AI has the potential to improve education, it is unlikely that it will completely replace old schools. Schools play an important role in providing social and emotional support to students as well as opportunities for teamwork, leadership, and personal growth. Additionally, schools provide a structured learning environment that helps students develop the habits and discipline necessary for success in life. Moreover, the role of teachers cannot be fully replaced by AI. Teachers provide students with guidance, mentorship, and emotional support and are essential to the development of their students' critical thinking skills and personal growth. In addition, teachers bring a human touch to education that can never be replicated by AI. In conclusion, while AI has the potential to transform education and improve students' learning experiences, it is unlikely that it will replace schools anytime soon entirely. Schools play an important role in providing a structured learning environment and emotional support to students, and teachers are therefore essential to the development of student skills. AI can complement and enhance traditional education, but it may never fully replace it.